What's up, everybody? It's Bree, and I'm back in this thing-a-line. Oh, your eyelash coming off! Oh. Well, no one was gonna tell you. Yeah, so let me show you my curls from yesterday. They're amazing. I will actually, there are some stray pieces. I'm sitting on a stool and I almost lost my balance. There are some stray pieces up in here like this. I'm gonna curl it back up for you. Hold on. I'm gonna show you how I did it because I tried to make a video last night, but it just kind of sucked. What I was doing kind of sucked. Oh, where's that straight piece? Man, I guess I could get this piece and this one. All right, so you're gonna take it and you need to spray it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of water, not too much, not too much water. Take your perm rod and you're gonna add it to the end with the string on it. Okay? So you add a little bit on there. You put it on there a little bit like that. And then you're gonna fold that up underneath it. Me, I didn't roll it all the way up on my hair. I just rolled it to where it stopped on the roller. Okay? Okay, yeah, there you go. So you fix that one. You might, let me see if this is ugly. Yeah, they're trying a little up too. Well, I mean, I don't want to really just, go up in there and try to make everything perfect or nothing. But I kind of do, so I actually am gonna. No, yes, no, yes. But I mean, otherwise, it's so pretty. And really, I only put a little bit of water on there because I didn't want it to take too long to dry. Because you can put too much water on there, it is gonna take a long time to dry. That is fabulous. I look like old money, okay? Dang, it's a straight piece back there. Okay, this is the back. Good job. That's why I asked you to take them because I knew you're like
her arm. I was trying to take the.
That's a good picture, but
so innocent. I try to get like the pictures, but you kept moving.
I'm sorry.
But I have to get.
I know. All right, go ahead. Sorry. This one?
No, you feel like that, but I want you to shake your hair. Yeah, in the front. Okay, look at me. Now, go.
Stop.
Turn around to the back. to the front. Ah! Okay, so do what you did.
Okay.
So you're gonna shake front and no, no,
go this way.
yeah. So you're gonna go really fast. So ready, set, go. Now turn around.
You're getting on my nerves.
We gonna do bloopers on there. Let me see what that look like. Ready, set, go. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
That is gorgeous. Well, we can crop it though. But that's actually pretty
okay.
though.
Yeah, that's okay. But before I was looking.
No, you wasn't. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
Tyra, you killed it. You killed it. You can take the girl out of the ghetto, but you can't take the ghetto out of the girl.